Yes. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. This is D Chinnagokari and I am going to explain about dual nature of light. So actually it was explained by the Einstein. So from the previous classes we came to know light is having dual nature, that is wave nature and also particle nature. Wave nature and particle nature. So according to the wave nature of light, light travels in the form of wave, and according to the particle nature, light travels in the form of small invisible particles, that is called quantum or photon. So now we have a confusion between the whether it is having wave nature or particle nature. Why? Because here by using the wave nature we can explain successfully some phenomena like reflection, refraction, dispersion and interference, and these are the reflection, refraction, dispersion and interference, diffraction. So these are the phenomena we can explain successfully by using the wave nature of light, and by using the particle nature of light we can explain black body radiation, and also photoelectric effect and spectrum, atomic spectrum. So these are the phenomena we can explain by using the particle nature of light. So again here Einstein concluded that here light is having dual nature. What is the dual nature? Which means light can possess both wave nature as well as particle nature. Here when the light is interact with matter, when the light interact with matter, it has particle nature. But when light propagates in the space, it has wave nature. When light propagates it has wave nature. So which means light possesses dual nature, that is wave nature as well as particle nature. And according to Einstein equation, that is equal to h nu, and one more equation related to mass and matter and velocity and energy, that is equal to mc square. So here is the energy of the radiation, it is also energy of the radiation. So it is related to when it interact with particle, it is related to when it is propagates. So here h nu is equal to mc square. So we already know nu is equal to c by lambda, that is equal to mc square. So here c square c will get cancelled. So now h c by lambda, that is equal to m. So here h is the Planck constant, and c is the velocity of light, velocity